In this video, you will learn about 9 prepositions of movement. This topic is a part of prepositions.
As learned earlier, prepositions tell us how the place or time is related to the noun or pronoun. For example, the cat is near the front door. Or, my dog died on May 30th.
Movement talks about the change in the position of a thing. A preposition of movement shows movement from one place to another. The most common preposition of movement is to. For example, he drove to Pune. Let us take a look at a few prepositions of movement and direction. Down means the movement of something is from a higher point to a lower point. For example, they ran down the hill. Or, he climbed down the ladder. Up is the opposite of down. Up is used to show movement from a lower point to a higher point of something. For example, Jack and Jill ran up the hill. Around means the movement of passing something in a curved route and not through it. For example, the car went around the circle. Or, he put his hand around her waist. Across means the movement is from one side to the other side of something. For example, the girl walked across the road. Into is the movement to an enclosed space. For example, he got into the car. Into can also be used for movement which ends up in physical contact. For example, the car crashed into the wall. Over is used to show movement above and across the top of something. For example, we are flying over the mountains. Through is used to show movement in one side and out of the other side of something. For example, the train went through a tunnel.
Under is used to show movement directly below something. For example, the mouse ran under the table. Or, the water is flowing under the bridge.
Now you know about the movement of a noun or pronoun in a sentence.